Okay, now we see question number 5. Y prime minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then we write in the standard form y prime minus 4y equal to minus 1. Okay, identify what is the px. Px here is minus 4, and then qx equal to minus 1. Okay, and then we find the integrating factors. So we have exponential integrate over minus 4 dx, so we exponential minus 4x. Okay, and then we use the formula to find the general solutions. Y equal to 1 over the integrating factors. Okay, and then integrate over qx is minus 1, multiply with integrating factors, then we have a dx plus c. Okay, so we rewrite it down, and then we have minus minus, so we get a positive exponential minus 4x divided by 4, then here is plus c. Okay, so we simplify this, so y is equal to 1 over 4 plus c exponential 4x. So this will be our